In this video, I will show you how to check previously viewed reels on Instagram. Now, let's say I like this reels right here, but then I do everything on Instagram. I scroll down and then lost the reels that I like. Now, let's say you exit Instagram. To be able to find your previously viewed reels, you just have to tap on Instagram and then scroll up again to be able to see the reels that you like. Now, if you ever closed your Instagram fully, all you have to do is to interact with the reels you wanted, and then tap on the profile icon right here. Click on the three lines on the upper corner, and then tap on your activity. Now, let's say you like the reels, so you just have to tap on it, and then you will be able to see the reel you like. You need to interact with the reel in order for you to view it again or see it again. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!